Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. In this video, we'll be discussing regarding the documents of the DASA, that what are all the documents required for the DASA counseling. Last year, a lot of students done a lot of mistakes in this document verification. So that is why we are making this video very early, so you all having the idea. In case still you are confused, and even I will suggest like you can take a guidance of the expert. That will be good, because if the document is getting rejected, the whole thing is gone. So I will try to explain each and everything, but still I will suggest to take the guidance from Summer. Now you can see this is the college allotment letter. So the college allotment letter you will be getting after the completing the counseling process. Once you are done with the counseling and you got the college, then the college allotment letter you will be getting from the college. So at that time, at a time of whenever you are going to the college, you have to take this document. So anyhow, it will be getting later. Second is DASA allotment letter. This also you'll be getting later. Okay. Applicant's passport copy. So this documents you must already be having. You must have passport. So this what you can do. You can take the colored copy of the passport and you can make a file. So in the file you can just keep mention all these documents in one page and start ticking. For an example, applicant passport copy. So you must be having your passport. So one document is ready. Okay. 10th mark sheet also you must be having. So second document is ready. 11th mark sheet ready. 12th mark sheet, whenever you will be receiving, keep it ready. Now, this is the certificate from school authority. Okay. So this certificate, what you can do, either you can take the last year brochure, you can get it printed and get it done from your school, or we can wait for the DASA brochure, because this set document will be there only, and from where we have to take the photocopy of it and we have to make it get it printed. Okay. Now 2 year proof of education. This also you'll be getting in the DASA brochure only. So then we have to make it done. J means final mark sheet. In here it's 2026. So 2026 final mark sheet. This is you must already be having. So this document is already ready. Migration certificate, school or DigiLocker or signature. Transfer certificate from school. Conduct certificate from school. Now, DASA fee payment received. Once the portal will be open in the month of July, then this also you will be having college fee receipt. Once you are paying the first installment you must have paid while doing the registration of DASA. So this receipt also should be there. Medical certificate also should be there. Don't go for the medical right now. One, like you can go like the by end of Ja. Parents passport. Parents visa copy. You must be having already. And certificate of working, that your parents are working in the GCC countries or for the Gulf countries, wherever is the residing. Okay. So this they can get it from the company. If it isn't any language like Arabic, then make it translated to the English language by the where transcript translator person, and get it signed by the company HR. So these are the documents that you will be requiring while going for the final going to the college. And some of the documents which I mentioned here, that they must be ready. So you can make a file, put a one A4 size A4 paper in there, mention all these documents, start taking that this is already done. And also you should be having the passport, 8 to 10 passport photograph you should be having. So if you have any queries, you can let us know. You can share this video with your friends also so they can also keep the documents ready by the time. Thank you and bye bye.